Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1985 Ford F250 extended cab. It's a four-wheel drive diesel, 6.9 diesel, right?
Yes.
You bought this brand new, huh?
Brand new.
Wow.
Got the paperwork inside for from when I bought it from Babylon Ford.
Very cool. Always garage kept?
Always garage kept.
70,000 and change miles?
77,000.
77. I don't think I could find a dent anywhere on this truck.
Not a dent in it. I'm the only one ever drove it besides my wife. That's it.
Wow, very cool. So how's she run?
Runs perfect.
Manual transmission, four-wheel drive. Looks like you got brand new tires on there. She's ready to go, huh? It's got to be the cleanest 85 I've ever seen. Comes with a plow too. It's not hooked up. Actually, it's never been used, right?
Never been used, and I'll go on a lie detector to it.
Okay. A little bit of fading on the hood.
It was supposed to go back for a new paint job. Never took
Back, yeah, that's when they had the primer problem.
Yep.
Guess you just didn't have time to do it.
Didn't have time, is right.
Maybe they'll still honor it. Yeah.
The plow frame,
Yeah.
okay, it's never been used. It's unique. Okay, I designed it with my father.
Okay.
Okay, it comes off with one pin underneath
Okay.
and 4 bolts in the front, and the whole plow hitch comes right off.
Oh, cool.
Never had one made like that. Never seen one.
I've never seen anything like that either. That's pretty cool.
You walk under there, you see with one pin.
You got the buckets inside. Actually, gorgeous interior. Yeah. The headliner was a problem on all these trucks, but that's easily replaceable. Beautiful door panels. 77,916 miles. It's pretty amazing. And always garage kept, huh?
Always garage kept. Yep.
Not even a crack in the dash. Cool. He's got the bench, it's up in the attic. You can see a photo of that on the website. You put a bucket in here, it gives it a little bit more long leg room rather for trips.
Want it open?
Yeah, open her up. 6.9 power steering, power brakes, and air.
This has got the biggest water cooling system you could. I paid extra for this.
Oh, heavy duty cooling?
Heavy duty cooling. Yep.
Very cool. New batteries, I see?
2 brand new batteries.
Okay. Can you fire it up?
Started?
Yeah. Let's hear this baby sing. He's got a cool like platform hitch too that goes into these rails with pipes, and then you put plywood on top of it, so it creates like a table almost. Any recent work done to it?
About 5 years ago, 4 years ago maybe, we had a new injection pump I had put on.
Okay.
Because they recommended that. Okay. And I have the paperwork for it too.
Cool.
And new, what do you call it?
Injectors?
Injectors, yes.
Awesome. truck is Mint.
We used to change the oil in it every 2,500 miles.
Wow. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And thanks again, George, for showing us your truck.